up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I know it's been such a long time, guys, but I'm back for a little bit anyways. Today I'm going to show you guys my Apple Carplay / Android Auto touchscreen radio that I installed on my 2015 Silverado. Now here's the 2015 Silverado in action. It's fucking cammed and it has a level kit. Pretty nice. So I just wanted to show you guys my truck before I show you guys the touchscreen radio. Now I also forgot to mention to you guys, I also, while I was gone, installed this bed cover. So here, let me show you guys. I got this little cheap $100 bed cover from Facebook Marketplace. It's a little soft cover, so it doesn't do much, but it still looks 100 times better than not having a cover. But yeah, it's just this little soft material. Definitely more for looks, guys, but it also lets me put stuff in the back that I can't put in the back normally, so it also works out fine as just a regular bed cover. It just has no protection, so anybody could just grab a little razor knife, cut that bitch, and then it'd be open and they take your stuff. So also got to keep in mind what you put in the back. Alright guys, so this is going to be the screen right here. I got it off of Amazon. For, you know, being a Chinese screen, it's actually not that bad. It's pretty good. Here, let me turn the truck on. Alright guys, this is what I use for Android Auto. It's called Z-Link, and it comes already downloaded on the touchscreen. Alright guys, so here is the Android Auto. We've got our Apple Music, because that's what I use for my streaming services, or my music streaming anyways. And then we've got the maps right here. And we've got the calls right here, which, I mean, if you guys want to call either these two, y'all can do it. I have no idea who in the fuck they are, but anyways. It also has game snacks, which I'm sure we can play a little game on that as well. I haven't tried it out yet, so I really don't know anything about it. If you guys want to go home, it's like a tablet. You just slide that down and then you go out like that. So here, let's play with it a little bit. It's pretty responsive too. It's really not that bad for, you know, especially like something you get off of Amazon. Is pretty good. It's got Netflix already integrated into it, YouTube, Spotify. It also has a DSP, so you can adjust your music. I don't know how to adjust any of this, so I'm not even gonna fuck with this, but I've got my amp adjusted correctly. And then we just go back right here, and then YouTube works as well. The only thing with YouTube is that you can't use Apple CarPlay and YouTube at the same time. It won't work because you got to connect to the internet, and that you would have to use your phone. It'll be the same thing with Spotify and Netflix and any other app that you want to get, because you can also get to the Play Store, and you could also use the maps that is from here without having to use CarPlay or Android Auto. But if you want to go to CarPlay or Android Auto, you just hit the Z-Link right here. And as you guys can see, I got a message right there. And now I'm in CarPlay, well, Android Auto mode. But if you got an iPhone, it'll go directly to CarPlay. You can also close all the tabs, which Spotify, YouTube. It's literally like a regular tablet. It's really responsive for what it is, honestly. You could also change your music here, library, your playlist. Now here are my playlists. They're all the ones that I got from my Apple Music. I've got literally everything on here, so nothing is missing. This is all of mine. So right now, you know, if I want to go to some good shit right here, it just starts playing. It doesn't let you choose your music, but it starts playing. Alright guys, now CarPlay is probably the coolest stuff that you can get on here, but you can also get something that's a little cooler. So we're gonna turn this off, and now we're gonna go to our phone, and we're gonna turn on the hotspot. Mobile hotspot on. And you gotta turn off your Bluetooth and your Wi-Fi so the CarPlay doesn't connect, because right now it's trying to connect. So right now it's telling you, hey, you gotta connect something, and obviously you don't have anything. So we're gonna go up here, slide down like if it's an actual tablet, press on the Wi-Fi, and we're gonna use the Wi-Fi. And right here is my Ultra. We're gonna connect that, and it actually automatically connected already, so we should be good to go. We're gonna go to YouTube. Alright guys, here you guys go. YouTube is here. As you guys can see, my son will be watching my fucking on my YouTube account, but you could put whatever you want. I'm gonna put this one right here. Es Herencia de Patrones.
This is my hit. I can take my hit.
Obviously, if you don't have YouTube Premium, you're gonna get ads, but that's okay. You'll just skip it when it's ready. And here we go, full screen. So here's the truck.
Ya se notó la movida, 3 gallos cargo en mi cuadrilla. Es difícil ser un santo, todos de la bola son demonios. Siendo malo me divierto, 4 personajes más agrego a la lista con que me navego. La misma gente que guarda mi respeto, la raza que considero.
Now guys, the cool thing is that you can watch anything you want with the YouTube app or the Netflix app, or you could go to the Play Store itself and download everything that you want for the tablet that you have in your car. Also, what's pretty neat about it, guys, is that I could use my phone 100%. I could do whatever I want, go anywhere, use it anywhere, turn it off if I want, so I don't have to keep YouTube on the phone, but I can put YouTube on the tablet. Now, the only problem that I've had with this screen, guys, is that these when I was putting the AC on, it would give me a dial, but now, like when you're driving and you're like in Android Autoplay or whatever, the dial, it pops up out of nowhere. So when you're on the maps or whatever, you know, you're trying to fucking focus on where you're going, it just pops out randomly. But I found a way to turn it off, which was go into the settings, and then we're gonna go to car settings, and right here you want to go to the factory, and I think my code is 6 zeros. And right here, it gives you a shitload of options that you have to do, or that you can do. Really good amount of options. It's really fucking crazy. This is how to change the factory settings of this radio. It's really cool. It has a lot of stuff. This is your amp. You could, you know, turn it up, turn it down. Right now it's at 100% because it's using my amp and not the radio's amp. Anyways, guys, you'd go here to the CAN related settings, and then you could literally put everything, you know, display door info, display air info. What I did, display air info, I closed it, and now it doesn't pop up anymore. So now honestly everything is 100%, and it's, you know, I definitely fucking recommend it. It's really nice. But the thing is that when you turn up the radio, the air, all you're gonna feel is the airflow, and you're not gonna see a symbol up here to tell you that, you know, that you did anything to it, which is kind of annoying, but it's really not that bad for, you know, the price of the screen. The price of the screen is about like $250, which is a really good price for it. Wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto, and obviously, you know, you put your own Wi-Fi. You can go to Chrome, you can go to Play Store, Maps, YouTube, Spotify, And I'm sure, guys, that there's a bunch more options that I have no idea about, just because I barely put the screen on probably a few weeks ago and I haven't had time to play with it. But so far, guys, I am loving the screen. So if you guys want to pick it up, I'll leave a link down in the bio. Go get it. That 2015 Silverado is going to look nice. It's going to look a little bit more neat. It's going to have a more modern feel to it, because I've been wanting to upgrade to a newer truck, but you know, I've already put so much money into this truck that I'd rather not. And you know, I'll just keep putting more money into it just to make it feel a little nicer and more modern. Anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe for more, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.